Hi, Facebook. My name is Aisha Rivera, and I created the group No Students Was Wrong in Our Schools at 100 Milton 6. I created this group to bring awareness to the issues that most others talk about when it comes to New Jersey education system. Recently, our mayor, Cory Booker, has committed to receiving $100 million from the CEO and founder of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, with the goal in mind to improve Newark schools. Well, who better to decide what it is our school needs besides the students, teachers, administration, and staff of the Newark community? When it comes down to it, it's not just about the money. It's more about believing in the students of Newark and providing us with opportunity. In my opinion, whatever decision is made with the money, it still wouldn't be the right decision because it's not just about the money we need in Newark. This community and school system needs people who will support and believe in us. We have all these punchlines like No Child Left Behind and failure is not an option, but what does that mean when we have administration, politicians, teachers, and parents who are willing to turn their backs on a child seeking for attention or help so easily? The system is set up for us to fail. We are not being taught on an average level. We are being taught on a below average level. So, how are we expected to score advanced proficient, let alone proficient on basic skill tests? We need a challenge in Newark schools, and I'm willing to take on any obstacle that gets in the way of us succeeding this, what it is that we need. My name is Aisha Rivera, and I'm a junior at Central High School.